Hi, this is Robert from the Round Lake Area Library, Round Lake, Illinois, hoping to show you a way you can use your library from your home. Here from our home page, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I've already clicked on Digital Libraries. Digital libraries are ways you can use your library at home to get books, movies, music, a whole bunch of stuff. Today I'd like to focus on Hoopla, Hoopla. I found the best way to access it is to just do a generic search for Hoopla. It should be the first thing that comes up. Hoopla, streaming audiobooks. Go ahead and click on that, and it shows up. Brought to you from the Round Lake Library. If you click on Get Started Today, you'll find that you'll need an email address. Your library card number will be there somewhere. You'll create your account with a password, and you'll be good to go. I have already done that, so I've already just logged in. And at this point, we're actually kind of done. You can mouse around here all you want, play, look around. I just want to show you a couple of interesting items. Whoops, gotta log in. And here we are. This is me. Now, I went to My Hoopla, and I'm looking at my favorites. And here I've got artists and authors. I've taken out just a couple of ebooks. I do work in a library, so I pretty much have access to books. I've seen a few movies. The main thing that I find about Hoopla is the music. Here, let me show you just, I favorited rather, this group of music and this group of music. This group of music. Actually, there's quite a bit. I found that the music collection is actually pretty darn good. Let me show you one cool gimmick as well. Here I've searched for Robert Wyatt. He's a guy I particularly like. And there's a variety of options that are available here. If I look to the left, I've got Ruth is Stranger Than Richard, kind of a lizard guy on the cover. This green one, Nothing Can Stop Us. And this yellow one, Old Rotten Hat. But as I'm looking here, I also noticed that I have a box set. And you should be able to see, here's Ruth is Stranger Than Richard, a little miniature of that record. Nothing Can Stop Us. I believe Old Rotten Hat is right there. So what you can get, instead of using your uses, limited per month, take a look around, particularly at the music. Always look for the box sets. Here on this particular box set, which I would get for a week, we find that this particular box set has got, let me scroll down really fast here, all the albums that were listed on that cover there. And good gravy, look at this. I've got 121 different songs I have access to now, just with one checkout. So feel free to look around Hoopla. Again, I particularly like the music. You may like the books. You may like the other items that are available for you on this once you're there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll be seeing you. Cheers.